Hello, world. Brian here, sharing some thoughts from the road, same job, different uniform, load, locate, deliver, record, repeat. Hopefully, we learn something together, or at least kill some time. Coming through Chapmanville on 10 Logan County, and I'll say what I always say when I'm in this county, which is that I don't entirely understand what it does to me, but it does something. There's a name on this town the way there's a name on every community in these haulers, somebody's family, somebody who cleared land or ran a store or carried the mail back when the mail was the whole connection to the outside world. The Chapmans, whoever they were, they're probably scattered now or gone, but the name's still here on the sign. I keep thinking about Blair Mountain every time I come through Logan County. It's right up the road, 15 miles maybe, and 10,000 miners came through valleys like this one in 1921 ready to fight. Not metaphorically fight, fight. The federal government sent troops, and the troops stopped the miners, not the operators. That's the part that doesn't make the textbooks much. I don't know what the Chapmans thought about all that, but their name's still on the land, and the land remembers more than the history books do. Thank you for riding with me. We are in this together. Keep going.